So I just wanted to take a moment. I thought this was the perfect moment for me to show you how I moss my vessels in real time, okay? All you need is some moss, a little chicken wire, some foam. All those things are already here, and let's go. So gloves are extremely important when you're using chicken wire, but don't protect your hands. You will mess your hands up. So let's not do that, okay? Wire's already here, right? All I really want to do. Okay, so I skipped a lot of the steps, right? Already, but I had already cut these pieces out. I'm really just refreshing the bowl, but I just wanted to show you what was inside of it, okay? So in here we have chicken wire, and I like chicken wire for a few reasons. I get to mold how I want my moss to land. I like a more organic shape, as opposed to like a very symmetrical, mathematical like hemisphere. I like the dips that naturally come with mood moss. And that's what I'm going to use to fill this bowl, okay? So again, it's preserved. I don't necessarily have to put dirt in here. There's foam in here, okay? So I use these pieces just so that I can get height. And then the wire, again, so that I can get a shape. I can play with that shape. And now I'm just going to put in my moss, okay? These are my pieces. They come preserved already. I'm just going to fit them together naturally. This is my vessel. It's filled with my mood moss. Always clean up after yourselves, you guys know that. I'm just going to spray this guy down. I might dye it a little bit just in the spaces where you can kind of see where it's brown. Personally, I do like a more organic look, but again, this is for someone else. So we wanted to make it look as close to perfect as possible. That's it. Thank you guys. This is just a quick little video, just so you guys can see what I do from day to day. Again, I'm always checking and rechecking my work, but at some point you guys have to walk away. So what you always want to look for is your shape here. Your shape here, you want to make sure it's even. I do like irregular, more organic, natural mounds, but you still want to make sure overall that your height and your symmetry is on point, okay? Always check all sides. Like I said, you have a 365-degree view. Even if you have a wall, I happen to have a mirror here, so it makes it more important to make sure that view is perfect, but always act like someone can walk around your entire body, okay? Strive for perfection. Even though you're not going to get it, but always strive for it.